Okay, the first thing you're going to have to do is just fill up this the bottle with water, pretty much all the way to the top. And then what you want to do is just go ahead and grab one of these beakers and fill it up. So I filled that up quite a ways, and yeah, that's going to work right there. And now I have this thing's called a pipette. And I'm just going to get this pipette to just barely float in the water. Now see, I'm getting a little bit of water in this pipette, and that is making this more dense. So what I want to do is to make it just so where it just barely floats. Okay? And now I can go ahead and put that in here. And I can just set that right in there. And now I don't know if you can see this, but I can magically make it go down. Say, go down. See, isn't that amazing? And go up. And you can do this with your hand. You can make it go like just by like the forces with you. It's crazy. Now what I'm doing is actually I'm squeezing the bottle. And when I squeeze the bottle, more air goes into the pipette, or more water goes into the pipette. That makes it heavier, and so it sinks. But when I release the pressure, the air expands and there's less mass in the pipette, and that makes it go up. Now what you guys are going to try to do is to get 5 of these things. Oh man, I hate this part. Okay, is you're going to try to get 5 of these things to go down at different times. And the way you're going to do that is you're going to grab this. See, that's too much because it's sinking all the way. So I need just a little bit more, a little bit less water in there. So that's my first one. And now I want to go ahead and make one with just a little bit less water than this one. So this one has just like a little less water, actually quite a bit less water. There's a couple squirts there. Okay, so this one has a little bit less water than that one. So when I put both of these in, oh no, it's not good. Okay, it's barely coming up. That's good. Okay, so when I get both of these in here now and I squeeze it, one will go down and one will stay up, and then the other one will go down, and then it'll come up, and hopefully the other one will come up. He's not coming up because I just put too much water in him. Oh, there he goes. He's coming up. Okay. I want you to do this to where you have 5 of these that go down at different times. Okay. Now once you do that, what you're going to do is you're going to get this out. Oh, come on. I think this guy needs to come up. Come on, baby. Okay, what you're going to have to do now is to measure the mass of these. Now don't get my scale wet here. So, but what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and zero this out. You're going to turn it on. You're going to hit 0 until it goes to 0 grams, and then you're going to go ahead and get that one 6.2. The next one, I'm going to get on here. I need to zero that out again, because I got a little wet water on there, and then I'm going to put that on there. That one's 6. So one was 6, the other one was 6.2. So now you're going to come over to your computer, which of course I didn't. I have way over on the other side of the room. And you're going to go ahead and mark down, like, okay, the mass of the first one was the heaviest one was 6.2. The next one is 6. And you're going to do this until you get 5 of them that go down. Now the volume of all of them are going to be the same. I'll give you that volume. I believe the volume was mass divided by volume. Yeah, so the volume is going to be 5.0. And that's for all of them. All of them, it's going to be 5.0. Okay. So, so now what you're going to do is you're going to go mass divided by volume. Mass divided by volume. Oh, no, I'm sorry. That is not 5. That is 7. 7, not 5. Sorry about that. Okay. So all these volumes are going to be 7, not 5. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your calculator, and it's going to be 6.2 divided by 7. So you got 6.2 divided by 7, and that equals 0.88. So you're going to go ahead and put down 0.88. Now if it's less than 1, it's going to sink. If it's more than 1, it's going to float. So this is less than 1, so it's going to float. And I want you to get the density of all 5 of these when you squeeze it and make that work like that. I hope that's a good enough explanation. Try that, and yeah, then if you can do the graph on the bottom, that's great. If you can't, well, you just can't. Okay, give that a shot.